Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, my intention is to find out the current working directory and what is the content inside it. So for that, we need OS module. So OS module is inbuilt with the Python, so you can import it using import OS. And then to get the current working directory information, we need to type the command, call it as os.getcwd. So CWD means current working directory. So it will print out the current working directory for you. So let's give it a message also. Current working dir is right. Let's print it. So now you can see that you have the message and the current working location as well. So I'm inside the learning squad, YouTube and the OS module. Now I want to fetch out the content inside it also. So you might be remembering that we have dir command in command prompt, right? If you type dir inside a folder, it will list out all the available files or folder inside it, right? So how we can achieve it with Python using a command called list dir, right? So let's print it also. I will give as content is os dot list dir. Run it, save it. Now you can see that. So the content inside this is current working directory.py, which is my file which I'm running, and some other files also, test1 and test2.py. So this is my location, which is coming from getcwd, and what is the content inside this location is this one. So you have a list of all the file and folders. So currently there is no folder, so we are not seeing any folder. If there would have been any folder, the folder would have come here. So you can get the all the content of a directory. Let's suppose now you want to fetch out the content of a known folder. You have a folder and you want to know the content out of it. So you can provide that also. So we are taking some another location. So this is my location and now I want to fetch out the content out of it. So what we can do, we can provide this path to the os.list directory. So let's do that also. Here if I give this path, so I'm giving the path here. We need to provide it inside the strings, inside the quotes. Save this and run this. Now you can see at this location, the learning squad and YouTube, we have these many files. I can show you the folder also. So API doc, OpenPy Excel, OS module, Python interesting programs are the folders and other are the files, txt and py files. So these are available inside the list now. API doc and OpenPy Excel, OS module. So we have all the content listed here inside a list. So you can get the data of a known location as well, providing by the path, right? Thank you.